Hello YouTube. It's been a while since I uploaded something, maybe almost a year. I simply didn't have time for this. It's a hobby for me doing YouTube. And maybe I also didn't have anything useful to share with you. But now, as you can see, I have a mobile phone, Honor Magic V2, which I just purchased. I got it from a store, brand new. I mean, brand new. It's from the store, very much on a discount, 700 euros. So I could not resist to buy it. It would be the first foldable phone for me. It was always a wish, but as we all know, they cost a lot, and to justify spending the 1500 2000 euros for a mobile phone is just not something I would do. But this one, for this price, as I said, I could not resist. I know it's now almost 2 years old phone, and it's just a matter of days when V5 version would come. But don't be fooled, because Honor has some kind of strange naming. There is V3 and now it will be V5. They skipped V4 for some reason. Why I still decided to buy this, although it's 2 years old model, because I think Honor is pushing towards this thickness of the phone with newer versions, and this one has already been very thick, very compact, and very much praised when it came as new, to be one of the best foldable phones on the market. I was looking at the specs of the V3 version. It has obviously better newer chip, but the benchmarks are just marginally better. It is better in graphical performance in games, which for something I really don't care about. And the biggest, let's say, advantage of V3 model would be wireless charging, with this model does not have, and for me this was almost a deal breaker, but still I decided to go for it and buy it. V5, I don't know, it is the thinnest model available, but also I don't care about it. This one is already too thin, so that will be also fine. Anyway, to justify almost double the amount of money which I would need to pay for those models, and we still don't know the price for V5 model. I don't think it would be less than 1500 euros, maybe even 2000, who knows. I simply could not justify again this price difference. This model also has 512 gigabytes of storage, and anyway, I think this would be a good purchase, but I just need to test it, to try it. As I said, this is the first foldable for me, so also from that perspective, to use something like that would be completely new to me. Anyway, let's unbox this. But I'm also now wondering whether this package contains this protection mask for the back side of the phone. Should be, but the lady in the store told me that it does not. I really now wonder whether this is true or not. Okay, here we go. Okay. And this is the phone. Fantastic violet color, but let's leave it aside just to see what else did I get in the box. Here, this one. So what do we have here? SIM ejector, obviously, and she was wrong, because they do include this mask with a stand, and this would be very useful. Obviously the color is a little bit feminine, but yeah, who cares. And I guess there is a cable. Yeah, unfortunately no charger, which this model can use a lot of power, so fast charging. As I said, the wireless charging is lacking, but okay. And it was one of the first models to already get this silicon carbon battery, which is also the reason why it can be so thin. Okay, I mean the color is actually very, very nice, very nice. I don't know if the camera can capture. Okay, the grease, as you can see, is really almost non-existing, but I guess with folding it multiple times, 100,000 times, the grease will be more noticeable. So let's try to close it. Wow, really, really premium feeling. So far I am extremely satisfied. Anyway, if you for some reason would like to see my full review of this mobile, maybe let me know in the comments, but I guess there are plenty of other reviews already available to you. Anyway, just let me know. This is it from me for now. See you maybe in the next video. Bye.